everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our latest Android screen with the anti-reflection in a BMW 4 Series Coupe. Car came with the Harmon Kardon sound system. That's our latest screen, which is anti-reflection, and it's same as BMW black screen. So everything works same as factory mode, and also we add the USB dongle for Apple CarPlay to it. And it retains all the factory features like backup camera. That's a factory backup camera. And also we can go back to the same screen, we can go back to the main menu, and the rest of the features we have it on the other cars. We have a lot of videos of them. Just want to show you our latest black screen for BMW. We do have it for all series right now. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.